Ayan. So, syempre, mirror is always a reminder din na lahat ay maganda. Okay? So, next, please show us the year and explain to us bakit yung napili mo for our delivery.
Para i-remind ka na magpahinga din. Kahit pagod ka. Lagi. Tapos mirror para i-remind ka na mag-makeup ka man o hindi, maganda ka.
Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, proceeding na sa kabilang side. And to complete the set,
Since kilala siya as someone as na super legal and who loves makeup as well. Bumili ako ng everyday lighted mirror since yeah, you're so kitay. Isa ka talaga sa pinaka like mahilig mag-makeup. So I would like to take this opportunity to say happiest birthday to you. I love you so much.
alright, so there you have it. Palakpakan naman natin mga participants natin. Okay, and ibigay nyo na yung mga gift nyo. Okay, hindi ko natin iuwihan mga ate.